Most people treat a prompt like a sentence, write it once, send it, hope the model understands. That works until the task has consequences. A support bot receives a refund request from an angry customer whose order is late, partially damaged, and outside the normal policy window. One prompt must now interpret intent, check policy, ask for missing details, choose an action, explain the decision, and know when to stop. Clever wording cannot reliably coordinate all of that. The hidden problem is not language quality, it is process control. Reliable prompts behave less like persuasive instructions and more like state machines, systems that know where they are, what information is available, which transitions are allowed, and what must happen next. The refund conversation is not one task, it is a sequence of moments. At first, the bot is identifying the request, then it is collecting the order number, next, it is checking delivery status, damage evidence, and refund policy. After that, it proposes a resolution. Finally, it either completes the action or hands the case to a human. Each moment has different inputs, risks, and acceptable outputs. If the prompt treats them as one blended instruction, the model may skip ahead, invent missing facts, or issue a refund before verifying eligibility. The conversation looks natural, but underneath it needs explicit stages. The obvious fix is to write a larger prompt containing every policy, exception, tone rule, and output format, but giant prompts collapse because they mix permanent rules with temporary context. The model must decide which instruction matters now, which facts are still unknown, and which actions are premature. A single response may sound polished while violating the workflow. Worse, failures become difficult to diagnose. Did the bot misunderstand the customer, miss a policy condition, forget a required field, or choose the wrong action? When every responsibility lives inside one block of text, there is no clean boundary between reasoning, decision, and execution. The breakthrough is to stop asking, "What should the model say?" and start asking, "What state is the system in, and what transition is valid?" A state represents the current phase of work. Classify request, gather evidence, verify policy, propose outcome, execute, or escalate. A transition moves the system from one phase to another only when specific conditions are satisfied. The prompt is no longer responsible for the entire journey, it is responsible for one controlled step. This changes reliability because the model cannot casually jump from uncertainty to action. The system must prove that required information exists before advancing. In other words, the prompt becomes a gate, not a speech. To make this work, the system needs explicit state, not merely a transcript. Chat history is a pile of messages. State is a structured snapshot of what matters now. For the refund bot, that might include request type, order ID, delivery status, damage evidence, policy result, customer preference, risk level, and current workflow stage. Some fields are known, some unknown, and some invalid. That distinction matters. No order number provided is not the same as order number checked and not found. When state is structured, the model can inspect facts instead of reinterpreting the entire conversation on every turn. A reliable prompt system runs a loop, read the current state, select the permitted transition, generate the next output, validate the result, update state, and repeat. The model may classify the refund request, but a validator checks whether the classification matches an allowed label. It may request evidence, but the system confirms that the requested field is actually missing. It may recommend a refund, but a policy function verifies eligibility before execution. Each cycle narrows ambiguity. The model handles language and judgment. Deterministic code handles constraints and side effects. The crucial line is this: models propose, systems dispose, reliability appears when generation is surrounded by checks that can reject, repair, or redirect the next step. Transitions need guards, conditions that must be true before the workflow moves forward. The refund bot cannot enter the execute refund state unless the order is verified, the policy result is eligible, the amount is known, and authorization requirements are satisfied. Guards can be simple Boolean checks, database lookups, schema validation, or risk rules. They reduce a dangerous habit of language models completing the implied story even when evidence is missing. A customer saying, "I deserve my money back," is not proof that a refund is allowed. The guard separates emotional urgency from operational permission. Once transitions are explicit, outputs should be contracts rather than free-form prose. The model can return a structured object containing the next state, extracted facts, confidence, user-facing message, required tool call, and reason for escalation. A schema makes hidden mistakes visible. If the next state must be one of 6 values, probably refund is not acceptable. If a tool call requires an order ID, the system rejects the action when that field is absent. The customer still receives natural language, but the workflow runs on machine checkable decisions. Good prompts shape text, good contracts shape behavior. This architecture does something giant prompts cannot. It makes failure local. If the bot misclassifies the request, the classification transition failed. If it recommends an invalid refund, the policy guard failed. If it calls the wrong tool, the action contract failed. Instead of saying the AI was unreliable, the team can identify the exact state, input rule, and transition that broke. Once failure has an address, it can be tested. Evaluation must follow the state machine. Do not test only whether one final reply looks impressive. Test complete paths through the workflow, eligible refund, missing order ID, damaged item with weak evidence, policy exception, hostile customer, duplicate request, tool timeout, and human escalation. For each path, define expected states, forbidden transitions, required fields, and acceptable final outcomes. The refund bot may phrase 2 answers differently and still be correct if both follow the same valid path. Conversely, a beautifully written apology is a failure if it skips verification. The unit of quality is not the sentence, it is the trajectory. Reliable systems are judged by where they move, what they preserve, and what they refuse to do. Real workflows fail mid transition, APIs time out, customers contradict earlier details, tools return partial data. A robust state machine includes recovery states such as retry, clarify, rollback, and escalate. The bot should not repeatedly call a failed refund API or pretend the action succeeded. It should record the failure, preserve the verified facts, explain what happened, and choose a safe next step. Recovery prompts need limits. How many retries are allowed? What new evidence justifies another attempt? And when a human must take over, reliability is not avoiding every error, it is failing without losing control. Operationalizing this pattern means separating responsibilities, store durable rules outside the prompt, keep state in structured data, let the model select or propose transitions, use code for permissions, validation, tool execution, and audit logs, version prompts together with schemas and transition rules, review failures by state, not by anecdote. The result is easier to debug, safer to change, and far more reusable across tasks than one heroic instruction block. The deepest lesson is that reliable AI does not come from finding the perfect sentence. It comes from designing the space between sentences. States create context, transitions create direction, guards create safety. Contracts create observability. Recovery paths create resilience. In the refund scenario, the model still writes the apology, asks a question, and explains the decision, but it no longer controls the entire process through improvisation. The system controls what may happen next. That is the strategic shift from prompting to orchestration. As AI moves from answering questions to taking actions, the winning teams will not merely write better prompts, they will build workflows where every intelligent step has a defined state, a valid transition, and a safe place to land